Animal Kingdom today, and it's Mary's first time. Yeah. Even Animal Kingdom is in the holiday spirit.
There's actually less than 5,000 black rhinos left in the world. Big reason it's poaching. They're poached for their horns, which is made of the same material as your hair and fingernails. It's called keratin. It's pretty useless to us. On the right, those are greater kudu. It's the second tallest antelope in the world. Tallest you'll ever see in the forest. They do look really cute like that, but that is the most dangerous animal in Africa, so don't lean too far to get your picture. There's a few more on the left in the water. Whenever they're in a big group like this, it's called a bloat. Pretty fun term. On the island, a lot of pink-backed pelicans. Named so because their backs turn pink during mating season. Really wasn't that long ago either. You could probably still see some pink feathers. Also in the river, Nile crocodiles. These are as long as a giraffe is tall, 16 to 20 feet. They have a bite force of around 2,000 pounds per square inch. When they're in a group, it's called a float. That sounds a lot nicer than it looks, I know. Here we are, welcome to the savannah. It's very open and spacious out here. It might not be too hard to see some of the animals, but still, keep your eyes open. You would be surprised what can hide from. You'll see him using his trunk for just about everything. There's 100,000 mussels in just the trunk. We'll keep pressing forward and see how many we can find. A few more younger ones, I love seeing that. You gotta have a lot of respect for Mom Elephant though. She's pregnant for almost 2 years. It's 22 months to be exact, but she can just have credit. We've also found some greater flamingos. This is the largest species, also the lightest shade of pink. They'll turn that color from all the beta carotene that's in the shrimp they eat. That's why babies are hatched gray. It actually takes about 1.5 years to get to that color. The smaller birds with them right now, those aren't their babies. Those are just local freeloaders, basically. Group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Oh, if you have a camera, that could be a good photo. Coming up on the left is going to be the zebras. Before anybody asks, they are black with white stripes. You can actually tell by looking at their nose, or their hooves, or the end of their tail, or the top of their mouth. There's a few giveaways. Their stripes are completely unique to each and every zebra, kind of like your fingerprints are to you. There's also some ostriches. I've only seen females so far. You can tell by the feathers. Females have gray, males have black. Oh, we could also tell by the eggs on the right in the grass. Those eggs are about 3 pounds each. Very durable too. You could stand right on top and they don't even crack. I wouldn't with mama bird there, but you know, in theory, it works.
Had a lot of fun on that safari. Got to see a lot of animals up close, so glad we got to do that. We got a little Starbucks to kind of fuel the rest of our day after a late night last night at Trader Sam's. So it's now time to head over to Asia because we are gonna go conquer. Let me see it. We're here. We're gonna go conquer Everest. Up the mountain we go!
minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning. Meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Archosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious.
Park hopping over to Hollywood Studios, and it's all decorated for Christmas as well. Thank you.
Stop. Eyes and ears on me. You better believe eyes are on you. It will not be easy to crush the resistance, but it will be satisfying. If you pass information to the resistance, you'll be considered a traitor and a target. Over here. At attention. We'll see you again. Advance.
Star Tour selfie here. We got our glasses. We look pretty stellar. Alright, about to have some oven fresh pizza. Pizzerizzo. I think I'm gonna go pepperoni. I might have a meatball sub. Decisions. Alright, our pizza Rizzo, the pepperoni pizza, meatball sub, the king with Caesar salads. We're gonna try, what was the beer? Moretti. Rock and roller coaster time!
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this. We can't? Oh, come on, you know how we feel about our fans. Yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes? Yeah, come on. Make it happen. Give us some.
Okay, I'll make it happen. Now get out of here.
Tower of Terror time. Tanya's least favorite ride. Love-hate relationship with this ride. I'm wearing my Tower of Terror t-shirt. I'm so ready.
1939. The Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star, a beacon for the show business elite. Until 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. Now that door has opened once again. For you.
right, it's almost time for Jingle Boom.
Jingle Bam.
Jingle Bam! Yeah, we got Jennings, we got Holly. They actually are right in the middle here. You're gonna see, it's great, good spot. We can see the projections on the Chinese theater. Should be fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, naughty or nice, in just a few moments, the holiday spectacular Jingle Bell, Jingle Bam will begin. Keep an eye out for colorful changes all around, because this totally tinsel show is made with magic.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, direct from Santa's Village, the North Pole Christmas Eve Command Center Coordinator, McGee!
Hello, Disney's Hollywood Studios! Tonight we've got a special holiday transmission from the big guy himself, Santa Claus. And to make sure the sun is holly jolly, I'm sending in our top prep and landing team, Laddie and Wayne. It's classified criminal line, but prep and landing are an elite unit of elves who get houses around the world ready for the big guy's arrival. Their mission, get in, get out, never be noticed. Oh,